Blessed are the ones who care for the weak. Mercy flows like a river from your heart. When I fall, you lift my head again. Lord, my healer, my refuge, my friend. Blessed are the ones who walk in your grace. You sustain them in the day of trouble. When I cry, you answer from above. Faithful God, forever in your love. Lord, have mercy, hear my prayer. I have wandered, yet you are there. Enemies whisper in the night, but your truth becomes my light. You sustain me on my bed. You restore my weary head. Though my strength begins to fade, still I trust the vows you made. Blessed are the ones who care for the weak. Mercy flows like a river from your heart. When I fall, you lift my head again. Lord, my healer, my refuge, my friend. Ooh, you uphold me in your grace. You restore my broken place. In your presence I will stand, held forever in your hand. From everlasting you remain, faithful through my joy and pain. Blessed be your holy name. Yesterday and now the same. Blessed are